My name is Dr. Juma Odoro. I am a thoracic and cardiovascular surgeon. So I'm glad to report that we'll be introducing thoracic and cardiovascular services here at Akhk Hospital, Kisumu. So what are thoracic and cardiovascular diseases? So these are diseases that affect the chest and the vascular system. So some of the conditions that we'll be handling here include, we'll be looking at chest trauma. So all forms of chest trauma that may affect both children and adults and may require surgery or any form of intervention we'll be able to do here. We'll also be looking at diseases of the esophagus and the stomach, this focusing on cancers of the esophagus, cancers of the stomach, cancers of the gastroesophageal junction. We'll be able to handle them as long as they are presenting early enough and warranting surgery. We'll also be looking at or handling diseases related to the vascular system. And here we'll be looking at abdominal aortic aneurysms. We'll also be looking at peripheral arterial disease. So patients with peripheral arterial disease, which is a very common non-communicable disease in our region, we'll be able to handle those that will be eligible and may benefit from surgery. We'll also be looking at venous diseases, chronic venous insufficiencies, varicose veins. These are also very common and tend to cause a lot of morbidity to our clients. So we'll be able to handle all those here as well. So we'll also be looking at cancers of the lung, which are also pretty much common in our region, especially those that are presenting in the early stages and are amenable to surgery. So we'll be able to offer those surgical procedures, both open as well as minimally invasive, that is video-assisted thoracoscopic surgery. So all these services we'll be able to do and achieve success with the assistance of fellow specialists in various areas, including cardiology, pulmonology, as well as gastroenterology and critical care services. So we'll be able to see our clients who need thoracic and cardiovascular surgery services at the Cardiothoracic and Vascular Surgery Clinic that will be held every Friday from 9 a.m. at Akhk Hospital, Kisumu. Thank you.